Hello everyone, welcome to the Day 2 AI Agent course. In this video, we are going to discuss step-by-step assignment creation, and I explained each and every step including the troubleshooting. I explained the concepts also during the code execution. So that could the reason the video length has been little more, and I try to trim it wherever it is required, and I'm providing the chapters also. You can directly go to the individual chapter also, and don't skip anywhere because the every step is very important. Hello everyone, I am RK. If you like my efforts at any place, just pause our video and just give me one like. That give more motivation to me to create these kind of videos. Who are missed day one session, I would highly recommend to first watch the day one session, and I'm just providing the video on top. Please look into that. Now let's go to our lab. I just opened my mail, and here you can notice that one new badge might be received. Once you click here, and you will be seeing something like this: Python coder. It looks awesome. Two badges has been added on my profile, and we'll come back. And very first one, I really highly recommend to you, all of you. Yesterday it was yesterday night it was stream. So if you miss that live stream, I would highly recommend, even it is related to day one, I would highly recommend you to watch this entire session before jumping to the day two, because here everyone is explained very nicely about the code labs, and whatever the day one activity we have done, right, they explained again one more time. So it would be better always review this video. Okay, now I'm going back to the other mail. Even I did not start, I'm going to start with you. So day two assignment, and you will be seeing something like this. So we can click here, core space. All right guys, we're back. So make sure that you've done all this setup. If you are missing the yesterday day one video where I clearly explained all these setup instruction, I'm sharing that link on the above of the video. Please look into that. Day one we already done, so let's jump into the day two. So first listen to this podcast. It will be so fun. Okay, just look into this white paper. I know it will be little bored, but we have to understand the things so that it would be very easy. Now they provided white paper in the PDF format, and here you can again click here right side, and you can download this PDF by just clicking here. Let it download. Yeah, it's downloaded almost. There you go. Wow, it's already opened as well. Okay, okay, we can go through this, and I would highly recommend you to also go through it. MCP is very important, model context protocol. The servers and clients will be there. Let's see our assignment. I'm just coming back, and I mark this as completed. Here just kind of checklist, no need to save or anywhere, just kind of what we are doing, it's correct or not. Now just go through this very important one. Explore, click here on the link, and you will be seeing something like this, and just click on copy and edit. Okay, once you click on copy and edit, make sure that you have the Google key, secret key. Suppose if you don't have it, quickly I will show you. Okay, what for that, what you can do, you just click on the one of the instruction. Okay, just click on create API key. Just give. Alright guys, before we are continuing, you just click on your profile right side, and you will be seeing that settings. Make sure that you have completed your phone verification. Okay, so here it is very simple. You just provide your number. Once you provide your mobile number, you will get OTP. Then you just go one more step and done. So your number will be verified. Next one is identity verification. You just do this. It is required if you want to participate in any competitions. Okay, continue on other device. Okay, I scanned it. Continue. Get started. Allow while visiting this site. So you just keep it done. Center of your camera. That's it. We're done. Okay, right. Then we'll come back to the assignment. Let's start. Okay, so you just click here, and once you click there, so they are telling that what is day 2 activity, everything. And again, submission is not required, and don't click on run all. Many YouTubers are supporting saying that click on run all. Don't do that. Okay, and you, so basically you just click on play button one time, run, so that you will understand actually what is happening. The point here is not to complete your assignment within 10 minutes. The point here is what you are learning as part of this assignment, that is very important. Okay, all right. So we already click on this copy and edit, and then if you stuck from the run menu, factory reset is there. Okay, we'll see that if you are stuck. Okay, install dependencies. You just copy this, click on code here, paste it. Basically yesterday, if you remember, we didn't do this, but today we are just installing our dependencies, similar to suppose if you are configuring your local system, how we are doing that, right? Same thing. That's it. Don't worry. Into account all package installed, that's fine. So however, the point here is successfully installed. All right. If you don't have, so I already showed you how to create this API key. Click on this add-ons to add your key secrets. So in my case, I already copy pasted the key, right? So yesterday, so you can add your own key. Suppose you create, make sure that give the same label name, and copy paste the whatever the key value of here, and enter. Just copy paste it, click on save, then that's it. So in my case, I am using the yesterday's key. So I just click on the checkbox, and you just clicked here. Setup authentication is complete. I'm just clicking on close this, making sure that click on this. So go step by step, go step by step. Okay, you'll understand actually ADK components imported successfully. Okay, great. Helper functions also defined. When working with LLMs, large language models, you may encounter transit error or limit server unavailability. Retrieve options automatically handle the failures. Return the okay. Okay, All right. All right. Section 2, what are custom tools? So basically we are going to create our own tool. Example they given that the user and currency agent. Okay. So you just go through this. You can click on this play button again to run it. So once you do this, free lookup functions has been created. Now actually we are creating our own uh, custom function tools. Click on the next. We are just converting that currency here. Okay, great. Now click on this button as well. You'll be seeing all this. See, you can notice that all these lookup methods has been created to test currency. See, you can notice that we are converting 500 US dollars to euros. So using our credit card, how much will I receive? Now you can notice that we have received the response. That's it. Section 3, improving agent reliability with code. And if you notice it here, and here user and enhanced currency agent. Previously, if you in the section 2, if you notice it here, so they enhance the existing agent by adding one more functionality, calculation agent. So we are just enhancing that. So calculation agent, new one more agent which we are going to create it using all these steps. Now let's run this. Okay, we have written all the rules. Click on this enhanced currency agent. Wow, it is also created. We are running this. It ran. We are just going to test this as well. So basically we are asking what exactly calculations happening background. Guys, our response is ready. You can notice that it is showing the exactly what happened inside it. Calculations, that is the functionality which is returning this response. Okay, all right, we'll go for next. Okay, this is the response. For that USD dollars, you'll be getting this much of money. I hope you're all are from India. Agent tools. Okay, agent tools versus sub agents. What is the difference? This is a common question. Both involve using multiple agents, but they work very differently. So agent tools, basically agent A calls agent B as a tool, but sub agents, agent A transfers control completely to the agent B. Okay, that is a sub agent. You know, right? If you're, it is a kind of dealership and sub dealership. Similarly, that's it. So they are giving complete dealership to another dealership, that is completely they will take it. Similarly, sub agents as well. Okay, but this agent A and agent B, it is completely controls the everything by agent A, and it will return the response back to the agent A from agent B. Okay, all right. As I mentioned, we'll go for the guide to ADK tool types. Basically, there are ADK tools, agent development goals, agent development kit tools, custom tools. Okay, MCP tools, OpenAI. Okay, you can we can go through this little later. Congratulations, we are done for the first one. So here, what you can do, save version. So here you can I already saved it. I don't want to save one more time. Version 1 already saved here. You can notice that this is our version 1 history data assignment. If you want to verify it, suppose you want to verify how what was the assignment has been created, then click here, click on home, notebooks, three notebooks, agent tools. Okay, now we are going to the next assignment. So we have completed all these steps. Now we are going to do this explore best practices. Click here again. This is to be assignment. Again same thing, copy and edit. Make sure that click on add-ons, secrets, checkbox. Don't forget this. Click here again, step by step we'll go. Okay, connect to external MCP servers. We are going to connect the servers model context protocol. This Kaggle settings we already done, and we clicked on this copy and edit. Okay, good. Install dependencies. Copy this. Click on code. Paste it. That's it. So it's being installed. So basically they are just guiding us how to do these steps. It would be good. So successful install, do not worry about all these errors. Now as I showed you initially, we already have the Gemini API key we already with us, and you just do this same steps, it repeated. And again I'm going to show that add-ons, don't forget that's the checkbox. Click here and just click on this play button, and you will be see that authentication is completed. Then next you will be seeing this printing, it is going to print this components. Let it run. I hope you are enjoying this. So you can notice that ADK components imported successfully. Now, so basically they are saying that if whenever there are errors are there, right, so HTTP status codes will be returning any errors, internal error or any others, it is going to return it. Model context protocol, they just explain the things, how MCP works. Okay, MCP tool created, we created one MCP tool. Very nice, this is my first MCP tool. Okay, retray configuration is not refined. Okay, so we have not defined right this one. So that is the reason. Make sure that you just run that as well. Come back again. Okay, okay. This is tiny image. So we got the response. Do not worry about these warnings. How we can connect to other MCP server? That's what they provided here. We have provided the GitHub URL here. Okay, how we can connect. This is very nice. Section 3 now. All right. Click here. Long running functions created, very quick it is. Understanding the code, okay. Less than or equal to 5, return approved, okay. The entire diagram. Shipping agent created, wow. User warning, okay. Do not worry about these warnings. We are creating the session service. Now shipping agent is created. Building the workflow, okay. Helper function defined. Let me see what actually here it is happening. That's fine, okay. So when the workflow function, let's tie it all together, okay. User queries, call agent, okay, synchronously. So basically place one shipping tool and check for approval, okay. Approval not needed. Basically this is completely workflow diagram. We'll run it. Workflow function ready. Code breakdown, basically they explain the code. We are going to demo what actually happening, okay. Ship 10 containers to Rotterdam, okay. Approved, human decision taken, okay. This is optional. If you want to continue, you can continue by adding the extra steps on your code. So basically they are just telling the summary what actually happened here. Congratulations, finally we are done. And click on save version, and here once you click on the save button, you will be seeing this kind of pop-up left side. Let it save. Meanwhile, if you want to see what actually we created, you can notice that day to assignment. Once you click there, you can see all the information here. Then you can click on go home, and you can notice that notebook, 4 notebooks yesterday, 1A 1B and 2A 2B. That's it, done, dusted for the day. See you tomorrow, guys. I hope you like this video since you are watching till the end. If you really like it, give me a like. That would give me more motivation. And thanks to watching this, subscribe my channel. And thank you all. See you tomorrow. Don't miss it.